Ready to turn your WordPress website into a credibility powerhouse with genuine Google reviews? First, you'll need a Google Cloud Platform account. If you don't have one, head over to cloudgoogle.com and sign up for free. This will give you access to the tools needed to use the Google Reviews API. Once you're in the Google Cloud Platform, navigate to APIs and Services. This is where we'll enable the Places API, which is essential for accessing Google review data. Now, search for the Places API in the API library and enable it. This gives you the green light to start pulling review data. Next, on the Credentials page, click Create Credentials and choose API Key. This generates a unique key that your WordPress site will use to securely communicate with the Google Places API. Copy this API key and keep it safe. It's the key to unlocking your Google reviews. Be sure to restrict it later to prevent unauthorized use. Now, hop over to your WordPress dashboard and install a plugin like WP Google Review Slider or Google Reviews widget. These plugins will make connecting to the API and displaying reviews a breeze. In the plugin settings, paste the API key you generated earlier, then search for your business using its name or place ID, and configure the layout to match your website's design. And voila, your website now dynamically displays authentic Google reviews, boosting trust and potentially increasing conversions.